Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Students, today we will continue our next chapter, biological classification. Yesterday we discussed about kingdom Monera that consists of only the bacteria. Today we will continue with the kingdom fungi. Next is the kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi. Student, kingdom fungi is a very unique type of kingdom. It shows diversity in its morphology. Kingdom fungi consists of organisms that are heterotrophic in organisms. Heterotrophic organisms means they depend on others for food. Firstly, some of the fungi are living as parasites. On the body of plants as well as animals. Some of the fungi are saprophytes. Means saprophytes depend on the dead and decaying organic matter of plants and animals. They excrete some chemicals on the dead and decaying organic body, then convert them into simple soluble form, then their body absorb it for getting the nutrition. Some of the fungi are living in association with the roots of some plants, and these are known as mycorrhiza. And some fungi are living in close association with algae. It is known as lichen. Students, lichen is a close association of algae and fungi. In which both algae and fungi benefited each other. Algae provide food to the fungi and fungi provide space for living to the algae. They are known as symbiotes. Both are known as symbiotes, and the association is known as symbiosis. Next is habitat of fungi. Students, fungi is a cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan means it is found everywhere, in every type of environment, in air, in water, in soil, in humid type of climate. ठीक है जी? In moist places also. It is a cosmopolitan found everywhere in the atmosphere, air, water, soil, in humid places and in moisture places. Next is structure of fungi. Students, fungi is filamentous in structure. What is filament? It consists of long thread-like structures known as hypha and phycomycete. Students, phycomycete class is mostly aquatic. It is aquatic in habitat. Lives on damp places. Grows on the log of woods. Mostly parasitic in habitat. parasitic habitat. Students, Phycomycetes having a mycelium, but the mycelium of Phycomycetes is aseptate, means septa is not formed. Aseptate mycelium occurs here in the Phycomycetes. Next are reproduction. Reproduction occurs by asexual method. Reproduction occurs by the asexual method by the formation of zoospores and aplanospores. Zoospores and aplanospores. Spherical spores are formed that move from one place to another, and in the air where they found the suitable conditions, it starts growing. For example, mucus. For example, mucus. And aplanospores. Aplanospores are also spherical bodies, but they are normatine in function. They remain there where they produced. When they get the suitable condition, it starts growing. For example, rhizopus. These are the characters of class Phycomycetes. Next is the sexual reproduction. Class Phycomycetes also reproduces by sexual method by the formation of isogametes and anisogametes. Isogametes are those gametes that are similar in structure and morphology with each other, and we will not able to distinguish between these two types of gametes. And anisogametes are the gametes that are different in structure and morphology, and we are easily able to distinguish between these gametes. The fusion of isogametes is known as isogamy, and the fusion of anisogametes is known as anisogamy. So the sexual reproduction in fungi occurs by two methods: isogamy as well as anisogamy. Next class is Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes is also aquatic in habitat. It is also a sac-like fungi. Sac, कोई खाली अंदर से थैली होती है, sac-like fungi. Ascomycetes is known as sac-like fungi. It is also aquatic in habitat. It is also aquatic in habitat. The fungi that comes under the class Ascomycetes are mostly multicellular. Multicellular में कौन सी आती है यहाँ पे Ascomycetes में? Penicillium. And unicellular. Unicellular is exception. Unicellular is exception here in the Ascomycetes. It is yeast. हाँ जी, septa of Ascomycetes is septate. और mycelium is divided into septa. ठीक है जी. Next is reproduction. By asexual method as well as by sexual method. In asexual method, by vegetative propagation. By vegetative प्रोपेगेशन। वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगेशन में कौन सा आता है, यहाँ पे बडिंग, budding occur in yeast, budding occur in yeast. Students, budding, for example, this is a yeast. Appearance like what is formed on the yeast. Similar, ठीक है. Firstly, from here, the protoplasm move, then the nucleus divides, and nucleus move into the next parent bud here. Sometimes this bud may detach from the parent, sometimes may not. If it is detached, it starts living as independent life separately. But if it is not detached, it forms a chain-like structure. It forms a chain-like structure. This is completely known as mycelium. This is completely known as mycelium. But this is not a perfect mycelium. This is pseudomycelium. False. False. क्योंकि ये तो ऐसे ही लगे हुए हैं. Each and every are living as independent life. Pseudomycelium. Pseudo means false. Whenever it comes in any कोई भी रुकावट अगर रास्ते में आ जाती है या कोई एक्सीडेंटली डिटैचेस फ्रॉम हियर एंड स्टार्ट्स इंडिपेंडेंट लाइफ सेपरेटली. हाँ जी, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन एस्कोमाइसीज. सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन ascomycetes. Same by the formation of conidia. By the formation of conidia or conidiospores. ठीक है. Next class. Example in this class are Neurospora, yeast, penicillium. Yeast. In the next session, we will continue the kingdom fungi again because 2 of the classes are left. Thank you and have a nice day.